Menteri Ketenak Jngohkai wa polong do ula banjur halor jing don kamban penbe ya jing wan tuj jong kinong wan Jngohkai ban Iada ya Mariang ka sarkar ka yatrelang bat kisnang ki ba penya ya jaka Jngohkai ban penting kenapa ka jing long jing man jong ka kam Jngohkai perthei ka long ka badon dor bha ka jing penya jong ki jing bun brew.
There already are standing SOPs for regulating the flow of tourists, because we would like to see that a fragile ecosystem is not disturbed and is not compromised. The only issue here is that in Meghalaya, it is not the government that directly operates and runs these various services. Most of these are owned by the community. It is associations and dormarstongs that run, for instance, well-known, like you mentioned, the double-decker bridge that is with Noria Darbar. The Arwa Kiev is with the local Darbar. So, but what we have done in the past 1 year is we have held interactive sessions, including training for these various stakeholders and how do they regulate the entry of visitors.